Today we have an assignment. We're going to look at performance analysis. So when you read on the overview, we're supposed to practice performance analysis in an execution plan and indexes in SQL Server. Basically, we are given a screenshot of what is expected of us. So let me go to my server management studio and we execute the plan. First of all, this is my script. We are supposed to use Adventure Work 2022 database, which I already have it here. You can see it's open. First of all, we have two queries to deal with. The first one is person.address table. This is the table we are going to practice our analysis on. And the main column we are looking at is the city column. So the scenario is like filtering on city column without an index. Sorry about that. Without an index. And the expected result is we are supposed to look at the subtree cost and the missing index recommendation. So when I come to the first statement here, then I run, you realize that it has generated. We have address ID, all these columns you see here. But mainly what we are looking at is we are supposed to look at the subtree cost and the missing indexes, which I believe it's supposed to be here. So let me rerun again. Yeah, there you go. So the execution plan is here. When I click on it, you realize that when I come here and I look at the estimated subtree cost of 0.217106, and here it's saying missing index impact this. So you realize that there is a missing index and the cost is too high, which means there is an inefficiency there in running those queries, and that is what you're supposed to deal with. So when I click on this, I'm supposed to so generally when I click on this, I'm supposed to click on something here. Yes, when I click on the missing indexes, supposed to bring me here. This is what is asking about. Now, when I go down and we create the recommended indexes, meaning if I run this script here, this section, it's supposed to tell us the command has been completed successfully, meaning now we have created the index which is missing. Now it should also improve the sub free what cost. Now when we go back and run the first query here, then we go to our execution plan. Then we look at it. There should be no missing indexes, and you can see here there's nothing like missing indexes. Even the execution, the estimated subtree cost has improved to 0.0, meaning it has what? It has cleared the missing index which was complaining about. So that is step That is step 3 of first query. Now the second query, we're going to look at this table, production.production table. So mainly we are looking at the color. We're looking at the color there. So what we are going to do, the scenario is we are going to filter on color column without an index. Then the result is missing index still with the recommendation. Then we shall create the what? The index, like the first step. So when I run this, then we go to execution plan. We should be getting what? 0.01 to something. And let me run it again. What happened is why this step did not generate the missing index. Earlier on, I ran the script and I actually created the missing index for the color in that column. That's why when yeah, as you can even see the error is saying the index already exists, meaning when I run this query, it's supposed to show no missing index. So basically that is it about the assignment, and I wish you well and thank you for watching.